I have the Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to remove your Samsung account. This will completely remove the account from the TV. So what you want to do is from the home screen, just press the home button to make sure you're on the home screen. Just go to the left side menu. For older TVs, it might be at the bottom there, and scroll through that menu and click on your Samsung account. On your Samsung account page, just highlight your Samsung account and then press the down button on the remote to highlight my account, and then press the selection button on the remote to get into your Samsung account page. Now from here, just go ahead and select remove account and then select yes, because it says this account will be removed from the TV. So just confirm by clicking on yes. And that's it. That account has now been removed from the TV. And now if you go back to that page, you'll notice we do not have any account on the TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.